living up or down to your opinion of them. Remember that true friendship is the basis for any lasting relationship. The person you choose to marry is deserving of the courtesies and kindnesses you bestow on your friends. Since we're here because of love, I'd like to read a short passage from the Bible, Ecclesiastes, chapter 4, verses 9 through 12. Two are better than one, because they have a good return for their labor. If either of them falls down, then one can help the other up.
Wow.
But pity anyone who falls and has no one to help them up. Also, if two lie down together, they will keep warm. But how can one keep warm alone? Though one may be overpowered, two can defend themselves. A cord of 3 strands is not easily broken. In the time that Andre and Sherry have spent together, they built a sturdy foundation for a lifelong relationship. After a great deal of thoughtful consideration, they have decided to bind themselves to each other for the rest of their lives. Andre and Sherry, I will ask you 3 questions, and they better be yes. Will you continue to work together as a couple? Will you continue to laugh together as a couple? Will you continue to love together as a couple? With that being said, don't get caught up in worldly things that will draw you apart.
Yes, sir.
You guys do know what that means, right?
Yeah.
Don't get involved in their relationship.
That's
If they have
right.
problems,
That's
let them
right.
deal with their problems.
That's
Yeah.
right.
It's easy to talk about your relationship to other people. They're going to give you their experience. Can't nobody tell you how to love each other
That's right.
and how to deal with problems
That's
with
right.
each other.
That's right.
So y'all got that?
Yeah.
Got it.
Yeah.
All right now. Been there, done that. Instead, focus on your shared devotion and turn inward. As your relationship strengthens, you will find you come to share a remarkable love, a love that is both abundantly given and freely accepted. The joy you'll find as you pursue your shared lives will fuel you to face head-on the challenges you'll encounter on this earth. On your journeys together, keep your spouse in a space in the highest priority in your heart. The love you share must be guarded and cherished. It is your most valuable treasure. At this time, I would like for you to face each other and hold hands. Do you, Andre, take Sherry to be your lawfully wedded husband? Excuse me, wife. Too many things here. Sorry. I'm not even finished yet. Do you, Andre, take Sherry to be your lawfully wedded wife, to have and to hold, in sickness and in health, in good times and in bad, for richer or poorer, keeping yourself unto her as long as you both shall live? Do you, Sherry, take Andre to be your lawfully wedded husband, to have and to hold, in sickness and in health, in good times and in bad, for richer or poorer, keeping yourself unto him as long as you both shall live? At this time, we will do the sand ceremony.
I've never seen that. What's a sand ceremony?